This week's review dives into the latest generation of games that blend procedural storytelling with responsive cloud rendering. We unpack how advanced gameplay mechanics adapt in real time, shaping player choices and pushing replayability beyond scripted sequences. Graphic fidelity meets dynamic lighting and deep texture streaming, delivering cinematic worlds that stay smooth even on mid-range hardware. We highlight how new user experiences emerge from adaptive audio, tactile feedback, and intuitive control schemes that invite experimentation. From indie innovators to blockbuster sequences, these technologies redefine industry expectations and set fresh benchmarks for future revolution.